Hi, this is Upline Danny Calzado of Team Titans TechnoWise 360, and I'm here to share to you some of my experience with the company, and kung ano yung nagustuhan ko sa TechnoWise 360. So this is a new thing. Kung hindi ka pa nagne-network marketing, ito na po yung time na subukan nyo with just 360 pesos. With just 360 pesos, hindi naman po siguro ganong kabigat yon to start and matutunan yung kung paano maging isang network marketer. Ang isa pang nagustuhan ko sa TechnoWise 360 is yung meron regular webinar or trainings na ginagawa online. So, when you become a member, just try attending the webinars para matutunan mo yung tamang way ng pag-market ng business. So, they will teach you about Facebook marketing, product knowledge, and how to start. So, maganda po. Magaling ang management. Very supportive. Very supportive sila. You can just chat them if you have concerns or problem with your website, with the membership. Pwede nyo po silang i-chat. So, and meron din po tayong mga techno cares na tinatawag who assist us on Facebook. Like if you have questions, pwede po silang i-approach. I-chat nyo lang sila. Send them an email if you don't have enough time to chat, or you can call our customer service as well. So we have our sales manager as well na aasikaso ng mga shipping ng products. So pag may bumili sa inyo, you don't need to worry anything. Ituro nyo lang sa kanila kung paano umorder, and then company na po ang bahalang mag-ship ng products. So again, this is Upline Danny Calzado, and thank you.